I got across that major road there. It's pretty full on, but again, everybody drives reasonably slowly, and just treat the buses and cars with respect and know that the motorbikes will swerve around you. So it's not too bad. But yeah, it's annoying. I reckon I had to walk almost half a kilometre out of my way because of that damn, that little, well, I mean, I suppose you could walk over. It's not a big barrier. So I didn't want to do it, but well, I could have done that, I guess. I didn't realise that I'd have to walk this far out of my... Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's so good. Once you're out of the sun. Whew. Take my hat off too. I always feel hotter with my hat on. But yeah, pity you can't get the smell, sort of like, very much like onion smells. Very nice. So the variety here is incredible. Lots of bins. Yeah, look at all the produce. Lots of these street markets. Yeah, don't want to play chicken with a truck like that. Yeah. Yeah, always an experience. It's amazing how much is packed into such a small place, small area. Ham dough. So I've got to learn all these food names. So I want to actually try the pancakes. I've never had them, and they've got to be around. I think actually if I go to Turtle Park, I think is a place with the best ever food show on YouTube. They did a few spots there. Bitcoin coffee. Bitcoin coffee? That's an interesting name. Oh. Yeah, it's quite a high. Good exercise, but I reckon I might take a taxi back somehow. I don't think I've kept my... Oh dear. Yeah, stupidly, I don't think I've got my hotel card with me. I don't know why I didn't pack that. Doesn't matter. Oh. Now, which street is this? I've got no... This shouldn't be the one. I've got a fair way to go. Yeah, this is the repair place I just dropped off the laptop. Unfortunately, they're going to have to look into it for a few days, and because it's got a Wi-Fi problem, but I've also been told that the battery in it is dangerous. two of them actually pointed it out, but my laptop battery is dangerous and probably best to be replaced. It also getting long in the tooth. I don't use the battery much, but bloody hell, what's going on here? You expect the unexpected, as they say. It was a bizarre thing. They seem like nice guys. They open up the laptop in front of me, which they do over here, which is good, because you know that no funny business get me. He also got me to sign all the components that were being looked at, which is weird. So, yeah, I'm putting my signature on a felt pen on components inside the laptop. I mean, as I say, expect the unexpected in Vietnam. He did tell me how much I'd be up for a new battery, and he said it'd be 1.75 mil. So I reckon it's about $100 Australian. So it's a bit painful, but we'll see what the actual cost of the Wi-Fi thing is. I've had the laptop for about 4 or 5 years, and those batteries don't last forever anyway. I asked him how long, and it's about, you get about 2 years out of it, he reckons. You'd expect him to underquote that amount, but that time, because he's in the business of replacing them. But I don't know, they've got a good review online on the Google thing, and it all seems legit. I've got a receipt. Yeah, I've got to find my receipt now. I thought I'd lost the address before I got there as well. But, I keep getting all these pieces of paper, and Oh boy, if I lost that receipt already, that's pretty slack. Couldn't have lost it, surely. Oh, I'm paranoid about losing stuff. I've got too many pockets, I think, that's the problem. Anyway, this is walking back to towards Vietnamese Tower. Actually, I don't feel as hot as I did when I came down here. So I know it's going to be a long walk. I'll just pace myself. But I've got to go right in the centre of the bloody road because it's so wet. I'm getting a bit more shade, I think, too. Maybe a lot of development here. I didn't want to find that damn receipt. It's got me worried now. I'm a bit of a worrier. It's my downfall. One of my many downfalls. I just cannot locate the damn thing. Hold on. Yeah, I placed a receipt in another pocket. I'm just a panic merchant. I'm hopeless. What can I say? There's a couple of backpackers. Oh, I just saw someone using these, smoking some meat. I love that stuff. Why don't they do that? What Comtam is. Comtam. Yeah. Yeah, so well, it didn't work out as well as I'd hoped. I mean, ideally you'd want to be able to fix an issue like that on the spot, but it looks like looking at a couple of days. And the other hassle is, may have to do a reboot. He's going to try to save my data. Because I've got a whole lot of TV shows and stuff and movies and what have you that I haven't got backed up, which I wouldn't want to lose. It'd be a bit of a pain. But yeah, apart from that, yeah, that's a real pain if you have to reboot the Windows 10, but hopefully they know what they're doing with holding the data, because they wouldn't want to lose it. Look at all the development here, it's amazing. Big buildings going up with those. You see lots of these fences around huge developments. Not unusual. There's the old Tesco Tower, great landmark. So I know I'm going the right direction. As a matter of fact, all I need to do is really just keep walking in this direction, and I know I'll get back where I need to be. So I might do that, take a different route on the way back. I'm not feeling that hot. There's a bit. I think it's a bit of a breeze that helps a hell of a lot. Oh, getting into that computer place too was really problematic. That's butcher on the street. Lots of butchers. Yeah, the just getting into their little office was difficult because they had a customer there who had zero personality. Seemed like a typical computer nerd, and his bike was there, and there were 3 others. And I had to just squeeze my way past to get through their front door, which ain't the most inviting entrance for customers, but again, that's typical of over here. So you're getting a view of the other side of the street this way. Anyway, just on the right hand side here is the market with the fresh veggies that I showed you before, and you've got a different view on the other side. And as I say, we're approaching Vietnamese Tower, and like I say, the breeze is really taking the edge off the sun. Feels a lot more pleasant than it was. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.